大成的人。
开始了。
哎，这个投屏没投嘛？
啊，没事，现在才53。
不搞吗？
搞啊，你搞啊，我跟你那了。
啥呀？
我讲
遥控器呢？不是啊，不是这个，我说投屏的遥控器。
电视机遥控器呢？
不会，那凉了呀？
凉了呀。电视遥控器呢？
可能电视遥控器在6楼3号会议室。因为我们讲完那些标识都要讲这个 PPT， 所以得，而且放那个视频的话，哦，你电脑就可以放。
遥控器现在紧急的。
那差不多。
到了呀，你看。
没打开。
我告诉我。
你的饭菜我只能拿回家热了，没时间吃。
要不帮你把鸡米花拿过，我现在吃不了。
没事，我现在不饿。大概差不多10来分钟之后吧。
10来分钟之后。
开播，去拿一下遥控器，可能得。这水声好大，然后我俩在瀑布里。哎，那个电源呢，女人？啊，不然这个怎么点亮啊？
哦，那个
电源呢？
中途我去拿那个。
我就说好像有点。
我给藏在这了，因为之前不是有客户嘛。我给藏在这了，我怕不然显得乱。
你藏起来了是吧？
对，我给藏起来了。
因为有客户来看，
不然会显得很乱。
地方。
那个线不是。哇。
直播间没人也可以吗？
没人也可以的，你就一直放着就行。
对，一直放着。
可以听到声音是不是？可以，小心点投。
我操，这个是电箱，我把这个关了，我把这个太危险了。他妈撞到电箱上。
骗人的，骗人的。
这是传说中的那个哦，这个就是说是那个，我看看这个是那个是不是那个350还是那个 XSP？
就是 XSP 的。
哦，这是传说中的 XSP。
我头都痛得要命，明天还不能弹性。哎呦喂，插不进去。OK， 小心点哦，有电。我还有个环节，可能要放个视频，就是我们讲到中途的一个环节的时候。
视频有加入进来了吗？你有给他了吗？
中国银行的一个视频有吗 ？Bank of China 有吗？有，对好。就是我们讲完这个 Bank of China 之后，然后就要放一下这个视频。
Print a sign of Bank of China based on different parts. The moon is the most familiar astronomical object to human except the Earth. All 7 parts are ready now. Let's start to assemble the 7 parts one by one. Insert the wires of LED strip light into the hole of the back panel. Spread the glue onto the bottom panel. And stick the bottom panel to the back panel one after one.
是先放 Bank of China， 是 Moonlight。我看不进去。
The moon is the most familiar astronomical object to
然后
human
它
except the Earth.
可能我觉得这个是那个那个模型机的视频，我估计。你看这个是号视频，printer chip。哪个是开头的视频啊？开头的视频是哪个？就是那个工厂的那个整体概况的那个视频吗？
没有这种视频。
有啊，打印车间的视频有啊。
那叫打印车间视频。这是我电脑吗？
对啊，这是你的电脑。
这有 3D printer。
你不是打印？
这些。
The moon is the most familiar astronomical object to human except the Earth. God has changed the flying to the moon. How did he live?
动作好，那我爬。
你们要不要再进一个人看一下那个里边的时事，关注一下？对，你的电脑再把这个电脑移过来一点，不然我感觉我看不见，我有点慌，感觉自己啥鬼一样。这样子，对，并在一起。
放视频之前，你可以把它们先。
你现在把它放个视频吗？现在放吗？有人进来吗？你看一下那个 YouTube。
我看一下，同时观看人数2。没有。
那我们
我怎么感觉镜头里面的我们其实还挺漂亮的？是不是带美颜了？
没有吧？
钱老师结束了。
你把那个纸放桌上了吗？可以让小
没
先用纸的，不打印。
我的天，我直接还没打印呢，就是我没有打印机，所以我才跟钱老师说，我跟钱老师说一下，我说到时候让他直接帮我给跟单好了。
对，
我对呀，
让跟单上来拿也行。
钱老师啊，那个因为我要直播，所以但那个单子可能又比较急，他下期也要走流程。钱老师，那个压缩包我已经发给你了，要不你帮我看一下，如果就是这些都没有啥问题，你就帮我签掉，然后再签你的名字，再帮我扫描发给跟单。
开始了。这里看着上面的镜头啊。OK， 开始。Hello everyone, welcome to our Y Design channel. This is Chloe. This is my colleague Susie.
Hello everyone, this is Susie. Welcome to our Y Design channel. If you like us, please follow us and give us a big thumbs.
Yes. 延迟了吧？延迟了，对吧？延迟了。Yes, and yes, welcome to our channel. And if you like us, you can follow us, right, Susie?
Yes.
And today we would like to talk about application of 3D printing technology. Susie, do you know how to use our 3D printing technology?
I think it maybe you must have applied in many fields like the 3D signage field, 3D lamp shading field, 3D and 3D model field, and so on.
Yes, actually, so many industrial could use our 3D printing technology, right? Just need a filament and the 3D printer. And okay, now we could talk about one by one. First, I think is advertising company. Susie, do you know as for the advertising company how to use our 3D printer?
I think for the 3D printer could print many beautiful plastic things. So maybe you printed the signage by 3D printer and install the LED strip light in it.
Yes, actually, but we okay. I think we could show our customer the printed product first, printed signs first. Maybe they will know how to use the 3D printing technology, make what kind of sign, right?
Yes.
Yes, and first I can show you some examples, like this one. This is pixel light. 你去把那边样品换那个直接移过去吧，我等下过去就行。This is a pixel light. Susie, please take it, and I will connect it with electric and to show you effect of lighting. Okay, can you see that?
Whoa, it's very shiny.
Yes, actually this effect of lighting is very great, right?
Yes, you could. Yes, from in the real situation, we always use it. We always printed the lampshade by 3D printer and install the pixel light in it. Then it would be a good signage.
Yes, and you can see this is our. Oh, it's too shiny. I will 先断掉吧。Yes, you can see this. This one is our pixel light, and the way install inside this signs makes it looks more designable. And the way another I show you, it's very it's a normal one.
Whoa, let's just be.
Whoa, yeah.
Whoa, the surface is very smooth. Yes, I can touch it.
Yes, now I will show you the effect of lighting. Whoa.
Whoa, it's nice.
Yes, can you see that?
Oh, yes, my dear friend, can you see that?
Yes, this signs with two colors. Can you see that? This one is white color, and inside is red color. But Susie, you know, our 3D design printer could print two colors at the same time.
Yes, at the same time, you only once printing is
Wonderful,
good.
right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, next one is a very special one. 吃完这个，我们就去那边展示标识字。Yes. Maybe the effect of these signs may not very clearly, so we could move close to show them. Yes. Wait a moment. I just connected with electric. Yes. You know. Yes, it's very shiny.
Yes.
Yes.
You could, yes.
It will show the shine like a diamond and the star. So we call this diamond letter.
Yes, it's so very beautiful and shiny. I like it.
Yes, very beautiful, right? Okay, the next, Susie, do you know as for the advertising company, how they to make signs?
You see the traditional way.
Yeah.
Maybe I know they always use the acrylic, use the laser cutting machine to make the face of the signage, and they use the engraving machine to make the side of the signage. I think it's too many machines and too many labor costs.
Yes, the cost is very higher, you know. So, and maybe someone will care about compare with traditional way. What the advantage of 3D printing technology? The first one I want to say that the lower investment, because you just need a one 3D design printer. You could print this kind of sign and also this kind of sign. Just need one machine, right?
Yes, one machine is enough. The price of the 3D printer, I think, is much cheaper than the laser cutting machine and the engraving machine.
Yes, and you won't waste the material because as we all know that if you use acrylic, you may cut the front face of sign for that, right? It will waste many material, so the cost of production will be higher, right? And yes, and also 3D printing technology. 3D printing technology could make more, I think, imagination. Yes, behind your imagination.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Now we can show you some other very big signs.
Yes.
Let's move it. 这个端着。要看着的，放那儿，就拍这个字就行了。转过来。Yes, and you could look at this. This is a big A. This is our print, very big, right? Yes. This.
No, I just want to see the color changes.
Yes, because we install RGB light inside our sign. You can still see that. It's very shiny, right, Susie?
Yes. Oh, and I think you could see the diamond effect.
Yes, like that. But maybe everyone will want to know that the front face of sign maybe will be smooth or.
Yes. Oh, I touched it. It's very smooth.
Yes, it's very smooth. So you don't worry about the front face of effect because this is as well as acrylic, I think, and it will make more easy than acrylic.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Another. 照它就行。Yes, another is our project. This one.
Wow.
Wow, it's big, right? This one. This is our American signs, and with complete styles. Right, Susie?
Yes, I think if you use the traditional way to make it, it's very difficult. But with the 3D printer, it's so easy. You just need to wait.
Yes, and as for this kind of signs, I think if you as an advertising company, you must want to make more various styles of sign, right? And attract your customers to buy the sign from you, right? So I think unique styles of sign and will be more attractable.
Yeah.
Yes. It's another very shining one. 能移吗？移到那个地方。And a very shiny one. And look at this. Can you see this? 这个版布。Oh, it's so big. This printed by our BS80 design printer. Very big, but I think it's too shiny, so maybe you cannot see clearly about the photo of this signs. Yes, okay. 太闪了。拍一下这边，对。我操，烫死。And you can see this. This all are 3D printed sign. 还能移近点吗？往那边运过去。对 ，This is all printed sign. Like this one, you also could printed by use 3D printing technology to print. Yes. Okay, this is a very special one. Can you see that? This is a very special one because this have 2 colors on the one layer, just printed by 3D printer. Don't need to paint, so it's very convenient if you want to make a colorful signs, right, Susie?
Yes. So I think if you use the traditional way, you should cut 2 kinds of acrylic, but use the 3D printer, you don't need to do so much things.
Yes, it could save much labor cost and material cost. Okay, okay, we'll come back. Come back to talk about the next one is maybe okay, just wait a moment. I will come back to our desk and now talk about and now I can show you some projects we did, right, Susie?
Yes, we did many projects.
Yes, we do some sign project. I can show you. Okay, can you see this one? This one is a project we did in Hong Kong.
Yes, yes, you could say this is printed by our 3D printer, and our filament MMLA. It's so lucky. Last month it arrived at Hong Kong, and our customers hang out in it. So you could say, yes, it's so beautiful. It's printed by our 3D printer.
Yes, this is our new project and finished recently, right, Susie?
Yes.
And do you found what I found about this one? This one.
Whoa! You say this one?
Yes, this one.
Oh, I see. Oh, I see. What I see? I see 2 colors in the same level.
Yes, actually, like this kind of sign. If you made by traditional way, I think it's very difficult to realize this effect, right?
Yes, I think. Oh, you should know. If you you should cut and constitute them, or is 1, 2, 3, 3.
Oh, so many colors,
Yes.
right? And it's difficult to realize this effect like this, which printed by 3D sign printer. So it's very convenient to make colorful sign.
Yes.
I think this is one of the advantage of using 3D printing, right? And this one is a project in Australia.
Wow! Look at the face. Why so smooth? I think it's smooth than acrylic. I like it. It's shiny.
Yes, and actually, when I send this picture to our customer, right, they always told me that, do you make this front face by acrylic? I just say that actually this face will also printed by 3D printer, and our 3D sign printer could print front face of sign, and also the side of sign can made by 3D printer. So it's very easy, right?
Well, yes.
Yes, and you don't need to worry about the front face will show full effect of lighting, because I show you before the printed product. You can see the effect of lighting, which sign made by our 3D sign printer, right? Okay, now I can show you the effect.
Wow! I think I see the king. You just show me.
Yes, this is the King Barber in Australia for a store in shopping mall. You know?
Shopping mall. I want to go to there to cut my hair.
Yes. If your friend who in Australia, you can go this shopping mall to see this sign, right? I believe that if your store or your customer have this kind of 3D printed sign, could attract more customer and could leave your customer deep impression.
Yes, you see, it's the best usage for the signage.
Yes, and actually, and the next one, this is a local project in China.
Wow, oh, I think the illuminated effect is very good. It's very good. It's, oh, I think, oh, so it's printed by our 3D printer?
Sure, I think this kind of effect of lighting can make people notice that they can't work on this place.
Yes, it has weird its best usage.
Yes, and it is very convenient and easy to make this kind of sign, whichever you want or you need, right?
Yes.
Okay, next one. This is a project for a famous university in China.
Wow, this is the 211 University in China. Oh, our signage has had such a famous school.
Yes, and what I want to talk about this signs is that we could paint this sign because our MMLA filament. You know, MMLA filament is our owner patent because we R&D this filament for the best printing for 3D printers. You know, actually many in market haven't this kind of better filament to print good quality of products. So maybe many people don't want to try use 3D printing technology. So that's also is a reason that why our company will R&D this MMLA filament, right?
Wow, we should give them a big thanks. And they are so hard, so generous, and they create the best filament for us and for our customers.
Yeah. So and if you don't need the color filament, don't worry because we can paint it, right? Yes. But also I want to tell you because we also have R&D team. So if you want to customize the color of a filament, we could custom the filament of filament. Oh, Susie, you are tired?
Sorry, I sleep late.
Okay, you must be working hard for our business, right?
Maybe, but
you must have many orders. I believe that recently.
No, just a little.
Okay, you are humble. Okay, so we could customize color filament if you need. We could do that. I believe that no other company could customize color for you because we independent R&D this filament, so we could do that. Okay, next one is if. Susie, can you find any difference from other sign?
Yes, I have been trained in the EF, and I want. Wow, it's a so big size signage. You say it's high, it's too high. So the signage must be bigger.
Yes, and actually, I think it will feel of designable because as for this sign we printed the parts first and assemble them, and to make this looks more designable for this signs. And if you know it's a famous, I think many people will know it because a famous company.
Yes, it's I have read English in it.
Yes, they're very professional, right? Yes, this is a picture of this sign we installed. Their engineer installed this sign. Okay. All in all, if you are an advertising company, I think you can use 3D printing technology, use 3D sign printer and filament to make more various styles of sign, and you can compare with traditional way. You will find that how amazing about 3D printing technology, right?
Yes, well, I think if you and not only the signage, if you use it well, you could you want to expand your business, you even could distribute it because you say if you like this, others must like it. For you are the most clever guys in the world.
Yes, and actually in the world, 3D printing technology is a popular trend to do some product, make some product, right? Because it's easy and could say much product and could make more creative product, I think, creative product.
Yes.
So why many people choose it? And if you just do the sign by traditional way, or you want to start to making sign, you could choose use 3D printing technology. Just a low investment, just need one 3D sign printer and some filament. You can make whole signs. It's very convenient and low labor cost. And I believe that it can make you obtain more profits from sign business, I think.
Yes, for it costs no waste raw material and it's automatic, so it's nearly no labor cost.
Yes.
And the electric power is so low and only one machine, it always costs a low cost for you, so you could earn more benefit.
Yes, I think, yes. Okay. The next, I think maybe we also have some lighting company customers for lighting company, right?
Yes.
So how to use this? Oh, I forgot one thing. Do you know? Only advertising company could make this sign. I think if you are a construction company or building company, you can do this sign too. Because when you build the building or store or restaurant, you could also do the sign for them, right?
Yes. You even you could use it as a gift, and you say you could attract more people to buy your building, and you say print by yourself is so low cost.
Yes, I think if you could do sign and you could build the building, I think it could expand your business rapidly, and you could make more profit from sign business and also building construction business, right? I think it's a win-win business.
Yes, you win the profit and your customers win the profit.
Yes, okay. Next one, we would like to talk about lighting company. If you are lighting company, how to use 3D printing the technology?
Let me guess. I think maybe they want to use the 3D printing to print the 3D lampshade.
Yes, you are right, dear. And we could use our 3D printing technology to print the land shape and to make some unique lines. I believe that most people always like unique things, right?
Yes.
It will be more valuable and will be attract more customers to buy your product, and always the unique product will be popular.
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now we can show you some printed lights. We printed, okay? Yeah, so we can move to show you. 放在这里就好了。然后它，对。
Oh.
Yes. Which one?
I see. Oh, I see so many lampshades. Let us to introduce several.
Yes, like this one.
Oh,
Okay.
you can see.
还能拉吗？ Yes, like this one, you can see the face with 3D effect. Can you see that?
Yes.
That's the whole. Oh my gosh, it's too shine, so you can see unclearly. Okay.
远一点呀。
远一点看一下。
我还是爬不过去了。
还是不行。But you can, if you come to our company and if you touch, right, Susie, how do you feel it?
Wow, it's smooth. Wow, I like
Yes.
touch it.
Yes. How about the side of light?
Yeah, oh, I feel I feel the embossed technology.
Yes, it's because the whole signs were printed by 3D model printer, and you can, if you touch it, you can feel about the 3D styles on the side of lights. Okay, another one. 这个地下. Okay, this one is a very special one. This will be more clearly.
Oh, it's so many holes.
Yes, if you can you see that? Oh, this effect will be good. Yes, can you believe that this could print by 3D model printer?
Oh, I even can't believe it. You see, I have customized this one like this one, but it costs so much for you could see this whole.
Yes, yes, this whole if you print it by traditional way, if you make it by a traditional way, maybe it will be difficult to make this whole right.
Yes, you see, it's too much burden for the machine.
Yes, and you can see because of this hole, so the lighting can show the different style, like star, right?
Yes.
Yes. 怎么了？不能过来了。Okay, the next one. Okay, the next one.
Okay.
Like this one.
Wow.
This one is very special. 看不见。
Wow, it's so many architecture.
Can you see that? Actually, you can see this. 关不了灯，它是整体控制的。上次谁跟我说不能拆的 ？And for this, you can see that the body of these lights have some buildings we made because this all can printed by 3D printer. Yes, the whole light, including this one and including this part, we printed by 3D model printer once time.
Yes, I see. And you should know the customized scene is very expensive. If you use our 3D printer to print the customized the scene, the lamp, you must earn much profit.
Yes, it will be very difficult to print this kind of lights. And okay, and I think this light could printed for some customer who can put this light in your desk or in your beside your bed. It's very convenient. Okay, look at this one. This one, can you see that?
Whoa.
Whoa, Susie, I think it's very great effect, right?
It's like a basketball.
Yes, and I think if you use traditional way to make this kind of lights, I think actually it's very difficult.
Of course, you could see how much holes in it.
Yes, and like a ball shape, and it's very difficult to make, but just need one 3D model print. They can automatically print, and when they finish it, you can get this kind of lights. And you can design what kind of styles of light you like. Just if you have this 3D model printer, and you could do that, whatever styles you like.
Yes.
Okay, and you see this on the top. This is on the top. This is some lights you can in the desk. If you work hard in the late night, right? And when you study late, you can in the night you can have this light to lighting, right? And for the actually, so see, I think this is not only for lighting company.
Oh yes, I think like some people like me, like cartoon, they must like model.
Yes, and actually many furniture lights also can use this light. Furniture
Yes.
advertising, yes. 过去了. Okay, we also have some garden lights too. I think maybe garden lights 可以吗？把那个线放一下。
过来啊！
好了，过不去啊。更好了，这不是叠起来了吗？Okay, wait a moment because it's a little far because our showroom is a little big, so just need some time to move. 还能过来一点吗？这个是什么线？
小心我电脑，小心我电脑。
那个给我吧。
有。
这个是什么线？这个拔掉线，这个拔掉了。这插了什么东西啊？那我拔了。这个线很短的，我拔掉了。哦，啊？好的。Okay, just wait a moment. Yes, okay, we can move it. Move to 可以走了，可以走了。因为刚刚是连那个短线。
哦，连了短线。
对。
不行，这里这根是连在上面。
对，现在什么？
电脑关一下。
这个。那你远远的都能看到。
远远观外。
哦，you could see.
Sorry, our showroom is too big, so maybe you can see this for far distance. Yes, you can see the Susie. In the hand is our some garden lights.
Yes.
Susie, this is printed by 3D printer, right?
Yes, it's printed by a 3D model printer, and it's called the Moonlight.
Yes, and you can put this kind of light in the garden, and if you doing lighting, you can let your customer to make buy some unique lights for their garden, right? It's very beautiful, I think.
Yes, I think the decoration in the garden is very necessary.
Yes, also I think that this yellow one is what. Yes, this yellow one cannot. Whoa. This one we call this wall light.
Yes, I think this wall light is very special. It's very you could see the design and the frame is so. Yes, you could say, wow. Look at the design. Look at the design, the frame as a whole. It's very difficult by traditional way, but the 3D printer is very easy to do it.
Yes, and actually these lights we move to, we printed for 我站过去，那不是显得我跟他身高差很大。This light we printed for Dubai customer, you know, for their building because you know in Dubai it's very hot, right?
Yes,
我也觉得。Yes, because this this is very hot weather, so our filament could work normally in this hot place because our filament could work in 85 Celsius of the temperature of 85 Celsius. So we printed this one. By our 3D model printer and use our MMLA filament. And okay, you can see other one is also very special one. You can like this one.
Whoa, see it. Whoa, it's I think it's why I think it's like a metal. It's arrow.
Okay, no, just this in the side, this white part we printed. Whoa! Oh, I found that this black part also printed by 3D model printer.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me touch it. Whoa, it's not metal.
Yes, like this ball we printed by 3D model printer too. So I think it's a field of design, but if you can have this light and install in your garden must be, I think will attract many people to see your garden.
Yes.
Yes, okay, the next one. 还能过去吗？ Okay, the next one. Oh, this is a very special one. 够了，不行了是吗？这个近距离，这个要近距离拍。然后带遥控器。Okay, you can see this. Wait a moment. We will move close to introduce this kind of lights. And just need to wait a moment because I really want to share with you this light because it's very, very special. So I would like to introduce to you. Susie, how can you find what you found?
Wow, I found a 3D. You see, I found a 3D bird in on it. I touch it. Did it made by 3D printer?
Yes. Wait a moment. I just move close. 搬不来吧？能搬吗？ Okay. Okay. You can see this one. This one. Can you 下面？我挡住了吗 ？Okay. You can see this one. You see. When you touch, you may find some logo.
Wow, I feel some embossed thing. Oh, let me see. It's a flower and the
Yes.
leaf.
Yes, with 3D flower lights
Yes.
in the front face of these lights.
Yes, I could touch it. Wow, I think the design is very valuable. It's wow, it's of course it's the advantage of our 3D printer.
Yes, and if you you can also could print some things you like in this light to make your own light, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 下一个吧。Okay, the next one is other some special styles. 怎么打走了？我操，不行了，但那过不去了。Okay, because 它可以。不可以。Okay, 那就转一下就行了。看一下。Okay, you can see this one. 放小一点。Wait a moment. You can see this one. Susie, what you touch? I think this light is very beautiful.
Yes. Wow, I think I touched our 3D print lamp shade. Yes, I want to move it to our customers. Yes.
Yes, you can see that. It's with a lot of hole, but I think it's feel of designable and makes it looks more special.
Yes, I can't believe it's unbelievable. You could see this such a special lampshade is 3D printed by a 3D printer.
Yes, I think this also could install in park some park, right? Because many people will work in the evening to relax themselves, right?
Yes.
Okay. This all our 3D printed lights and some garden lights and some wall lights and whatever you want to print, just need a 3D printer. You could do that. Okay, we can come back. 回去吧。I will continue introduce to you first. Okay. I will continue to talk to you about wait a moment.没有，刚那边讲完回来，现在要继续坐在这里讲，再移道具。Okay, we come back and continue to talk about our 3D printing technology.
Yes.
Yes.没关系，继续吧。
哦耶，
交给技术局吧。
跟单，扫描给跟单。对，
Okay, and you can see. 哎，我这个 just wait a moment. I will show you. I will show you some picture of our lights also. Wait a moment. Okay, maybe it's some not very well, but you can see this. This is some picture of our lights, and because our showroom is updating, so some lights you can see in picturized to see. And we also have this kind of lights you can install on the top in the room, and some table lights, and you can put in desk lights. I think it's very beautiful. Look at this one.
Wow, you could see like this. You could see that this. I will have handle it to show it to you just now. Do you still remember this one?
Yes, and look at this one. You can actually, I think this is our company. Can you see that? This is our company, and we printed the lights and install in our on the door of our company, and I think it will make our company feel of technology, right?
Yes, yes, it was taken in his production place.
Yes, I think most people will like the sense, like the products feel of sense of technology. So I think it feel of meaning to make this kind of lights and install to decorate your company or decorate your store or decorate your restaurant. So as for lighting company, you also could print these lines. I think it's a good business to expand your company business, right? And also like the other one. Yes, I do see this one.
Yeah, oh, let me number it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoa, 4 different flowers and so
Yeah.
many colors.
And yes, do you know this also could printed by 3D printer and to decorate some buildings.
Really? Wow, I think you must it's printed by a 3D printer. Wow, it's fantastic.
Yes, I think if you want to make your room, make your building looks more special or beautiful, wonderful, I think you could try to use 3D printing technology. I think it's very unique and special. You also could print this kind of lights for the gift. I think it could add a gift, right, Susie?
Yes, I want to eat. And my director admit me. If I win more ordered, he would send one free for me.
Really?
Yes.
Yes, I think if you could have 3D printer and could print some small things as a gift, I believe that your friends or a family member must feel very happy, right? Because it's a unique gift. You can't buy it from the shop, and only you could get it because it's special for you, right?
Yes, it's a gift with special meaning.
Yeah, okay. This also is some decorate printed product we print by our 3D printer and use 3D printed technology. And you can see it's snow. You can decorate on the wall. So what actually, Susie, I know that whatever you are, construction company, advertising company, or some lighting company, I think this kind of product, you could make it and for your customers.
Yes, oh, I think it's so many usage. You say it could add the light. Could be used as a decoration.
Yes, it with large in potential market in 3D printing technology. We should develop it and explore the 3D printing world, right? Yes, and you can see some the bottom one is our wall light. You can design the light you want and print it by 3D printing technology. If you do that by traditional way, or you found the other store to make it, I think it will cost you too much. Okay. Next one, maybe people want to know, someone will want to print some toys and some models. So we can show them some printed models first and let them know and our friends know how the 3D printing could make what kind of product, right?
Yes, let's go to show
Yes,
them.
let's go. 后面那个柜子，对。Yes, just wait a moment. Our showroom is actually very big, so we need time to move it to show you some models. 拖家带口的，可以了吧？还能进吗？
不行。
放一下。还可以把这个白的拔掉，把白的这个拔掉就好了。Okay, just wait a moment. Yes, as you can see, this one first.
我的抽烟。
And you can see this one. This is some building models. If you do some construction company, maybe you need to print some building models to show your customer how the appearance of the building you want to show them. So printed by 3D model printer to make this kind of model will be more clearly to show your customer. And you also can see some human also can print it by our 3D printer. But you can, okay, I can get it. This one is a very small one. You can use 3D scanning machine to scan it first, and you can save a field. You can save a field to print this human, so it's very convenient. Just use 3D scanning machine first, and then use 3D model printer. Also, you can print and you can paint it to make this model looks more real. And another one is if you do some medical business, you also may need this kind of models, like this skull models. I can move closely to use to show. And this also can, I think this also can for some schools. Yes, Susie?
Whoa.
For some schools.
Yes, I think it could be used as a medical field. It's as a model to research the frame, the constitution of the human body.
Yes, this kind of model can let people learning, and for medical company and also can for school. So I think the whole big market in 3D printing technology. Okay, this also some models can for schools. Because you know some students like drawing, right? Like painting, right? Drawing.
Yes. I think
Yes.
if you print it, you could print a joining on it.
Yes, and look at this one. These are some parts. If you are some electric company and some machine company, you sell machine, or you may need to print some parts. And you also could use 3D printing technology to print some parts to use for machine and other products. You can see this one. Yes, it's very movable, right? Flexible. It's very flexible.
It's very compatible, and this tool, I think maybe it could be used as accessories in some machine.
Yes, and the other, look at this big one. You also could move it, so it's very convenient to. If you need parts, it's very convenient to make it. Just need one 3D model printer.
Yes, it's very flexible.
Yes, very flexible. You know, Susie, actually some parts of our 3D printer, we want to make our 3D printer more, print more easy, and we will make some parts to relax our hands and to make a printer more smoothly, right? Okay. And okay, some this kind of parts.
Wow, I think it's so. Oh, I think it's so complicated.
Yes.
Sophisticated.
Yes. Okay, and this some others is toys. Maybe some kids will like it, like this card.
Oh,
You
it's
can.
printed by 3D printer.
Yes,
Really?
it
Wow, it could move.
Yes, it's very flexible to many kids. I think they will like this one.
Yes, I want to buy it for my brother.
And for this one, this is the pumpkin. You know, in Halloween Day, many people will make this kind of product, right? They will buy this and install the lights to make effect of lighting, and they will go to work. Go outside and in the evening and use this light. Okay. We also have another one, some handmaker models like this one. This Spider-Man. 就这样可以了。Yes, you can see this is Spider-Man. I think this is my favorite character. 拿不出来的吧？这样子可能清楚，小心点哦。This is Spider-Man, and we also paint it. 这个前面是吗？对，就站在这前面。And we also paint it, and this is my favorite character in movie, you know.
Yes, you could see his mask.
Yes, and you could paint it to make what kind of handmake you like. It's very easy to make this and to put it in your room.
Yes.
Okay. Yes. Okay. The next is also some models you can print. Oh, this is family sheep.
Yes, when you can't sleep in the night, one sheep, two sheep, three sheep, four sheep.
Yes, it's a family sheep. It's very cute. This is some big one. This is small one. It's sheep baby. Sheep baby. Baby sheep. Okay. This is the big one.
Yes.
Oh, okay, and I want to say that this color of filament is a very special one. It's a pale ivory color of filament, and maybe many kind of filament haven't this color, but our company have this pale ivory color filament. Yes. Some other 给他们展示一下，对，这个。This.
Yes.
Oh, this is food. Yes.
Popcorn.
Yes, and as for some restaurant stores, I think they also could use 3D printing technology. This must delicious looks right, because you can 打近点吧，整容端出来嘛，对。
哦，很好，翻起来，
对，
吓死我了。
And you can see this. If you have restaurant store, you could make this kind of this food.
Dumpling.
Yes, I think if you can print all the meal for by this kind of way, and let your customer to order, I think it will be more vivid than menu, right?
Yes, if, even you could buy one set of it, send it to your friend. Maybe then you could trick him.
Yes. Yes, this is some or okay. I will guess this one. There are some also models will print. It's very this one very like it. It's very funny. It's funny. Yes, you don't need to assemble it. Just this all printed one integrate by. Whoa, this is very like a real.
Yes.
Cookie. Yes.
Oreo.
Yes, it's the Oreo. Maybe many people will know this cookie.
Yes, the cookie is very delicious and very famous.
Yes, like a real one, very related one. And this is a rainbow dragon. You can know that. Yes, with the multicolor of the this dragon, and it can move like this. Don't need assemble. It's very convenient. 你拍一下这边吧。
Wow, so big strawberry.
Whoa, you must like a strawberry. Yes, this is a very big one. You also could print it by our 3D printer.
Yes, look at the color is very vivid.
Yes, it's very convenient to make this kind of. Okay, this I think is a very useful one. This useful product. It's phone support. Yes, the phone support. You can put your phone in there, and when you watch TV or when you took video or took photo, it's very convenient, right?
Yes.
It can relax your hands when you watch TV.
Yeah.
And this one is also a dragon, but this one will print part of that because their wing could move, and their tail also could move too.
Yes.
This.
Oh, I think he must like it.
Yes, and okay, we can come back and talk about 回去吧。After visiting so many kinds of printed products, what are you feeling about this 3D printing technology?
Oh, I think it could be used in wide application field. You say it could be used signage, the model, the lampshade, and I think it must be many field we didn't find now.
Yes, and I think what kind of whatever for the advertising company, and for some restaurant store, and for some lighting company, and the construction company, and so many. I think many kinds of company also could use this 3D printing technology to make some products, because this the printed products feel of sense of technology. I believe that it can attract more customers to buy your products, and because also this product with low cost production, and it's easy to come. It is easy to make it. So I believe that many people will like it.
Of course, I believe. Yes, I believe. Not the interest. I believe. Whether you use it to make the the sign, the model, the demonstrate, or distribute it, you could much benefit from it. For it really not interest. It has a commercial valuation.
Yes, and recently, actually, as for sign, I have something to want to communicate with you, because many our customers, will ask you, I want to print more than higher than 1 meter. I want to print 2 meter signs.
Oh, yes, I know. For you should know there are so many high buildings in our social. So in this building, you should hand the big logo or letters, or they can't be seen.
Yes, and actually we could make big signs of sign by a 3D sign printer. But if you print more than 2 or 3 meters, maybe 3D sign printer could make a lower cost production. And so we can show our customer one of our projects we made for Bank of China. Bank of China is a famous bank in world. I think many people will know it.
Yes, do you save all his money in it? I know.
He must a rich man, I think, because he she do great job actually. Okay, let's show them the video of Bank of China. We made this sign for customer.
Print a sign of Bank of China based on different parts.
Process of print and the way.
All 7 parts are ready now. Let's start to assemble the 7 parts one by one.
But it won't affect the light.
Insert the wires of LED strip light into the hole of the back panel.
Yes.
Wait until the glue is dry and the large sign is ready.
Maybe in this picture you may see looks not very big, but actually it's big because the size of this Bank of China is about 1.2 meters. Yeah, right? Yeah.这样子啊？
对。放视频的时候，
之前
有视频声音，
就没有声音
是听得到。
没有你们的。
好的。
Print a sign of Bank of China based on different parts.
Yes, after watching this video, you can see our Bank of China sign, and the size of this sign is about 1.2 meters. It's very large, actually, right, Susie?
Yes.
And we install this signs in the tall building, and the effect of lighting won't affect because of the parts and then assemble this mass.
Yeah.
I mean that we print part first and assemble it. This kind of mask won't affect the lighting. It also show our the effect of lighting very well, I think. Yes. Okay. Next one, I would like to introduce. This is a picture about our company. Actually, our company have a history about 38 years. Very long history, actually.
Yes, the building, the architecture, the factory is, our factory has set in 1984. Sorry.
Yes, 1984. Yes, and this is a picture of in the night. You can see some light, some light we do.
Wow, the light is very shiny, very beautiful, and it's a multicolor, master RGB.
Yes, actually, our company do a lot light business also.
Yes, I think.
放大，他说。
Oh yes,
Yes, I can move closely to show you. Yes.
Oh,
Can
it's
you see
so
that?
clear.
Yes. We do some animation of lights to. Yes. So, if you are interested in our product, our 3D printer, our printed product, and our filament, you can contact me or Susie.
Yes, you could contact us from the contact way on the screen.
Yes, and the contact details in the bottom of this screen you can save. And if you are interested in our product, you can contact us, and we will introduce you more detail about our product. And we also could give you best help in technology or some service. And actually, our business is also our business is in 3D printer, signage, and filaments, and we can provide some 3D printing service also too, right?
Yes. So yes. We not only provide the machine, but also we provide the 3D printed service. I must yes. If you like us and have the interest in it, welcome to contact us. And if you come to China, to Hangzhou, welcome to visit our factory. We would represent the best product for you.
Yes, and actually that we also, you can follow, if you like us, you can follow our YouTube channel, because we will update the video of some products regularly, and we will have a live stream regularly too. You can see that. And also that if you want to do some business in 3D printer, I believe that printed products just one way, and you also can sell products like a sell machine or sell filament. I think this is also a market too, right, Susie?
Yes.
Yes, okay. It's time to say goodbye, Susie, you know.
Yes, and yes, it's so pity, but I wish you to go and to deal with other things.
Yes.
If you like us, please follow us and contact us by the contact way in the screen.
Yes, and we will have next live stream in the next time, and we will inform you, right, if you are interested in our company. Okay, time to say goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. 放视频。放点视频。
The moon is the most familiar astronomical object to human except the Earth. The goddess change of flying to the moon and YouTube pounding herb medicine are well-known myths in China, so would you like to have your own moon? It's easy, 3D printing can make your dream come true. All what we need to do is to build a 3D moon model in the software, and then use the 3D printer to print it. Now you've already got your own moon. Everything could be printed by our 3D printers per your requirement.
OK。
Never let me
Goodbye everyone.